Hey, welcome to Wolf Industries Inc. Derek Hugel, one of the founders here, and I'm here to show you a tour of our facilities. Super glad to show you around. Here on my left, we got some inside sales going on, meetings happening left and right. Down here, we've got a showroom, picking out countertops, paint colors, all the touchy-feely stuff, flooring, all that good stuff. Over on this side, as we move down the shop, the production line, we've got HR sitting here. We got document prep happening here. Permit technician here. Also more techs cranking out permits along here. David, our lead purchasing, is finding parts and pieces. We've got lead problem solver, I call that guy. Accounting, purchasing, and the shop manager down in here. And down here we've got the civil engineering department. This is really cool. Set of documents drawn together, cranking out all the horizontal design. Utilities, stormwater, sewer, water. I mean, you name it, these guys are drawing it out and detailing it. Super fun stuff. Let's go check out the shop. Right here in the manufacturing bay, we've got efficiency related projects. So jack stands, working on equipment, repairing vehicles. I mean, you name it, they get into it down here. Let's go check out stage one. So stage one, this is where we're starting, cutting the lumber, optimized on the Tiger Stop. We're drilling all the holes ahead of time, scrap blocking, 2x10 dimensional lumber. This is what goes into the house. Super fun to watch these guys crank out details. They take the lumber, they load it up on this cart so they're efficient with all their openings, windows, doors, etc. It's ready to go. They grab that bundle and then assemble it. Right here we got a roof, and they're going to go ahead and pre-paint this ahead of time so that the roofing covers it up. This is drywall. This is going to be a firewall type X, 5/8. 2x6 wall construction. They're gluing these panels to the studs for extra rigidity going down the road. Once they have this wall done, we'll take the overhead crane, pick it up, and then put it alongside this so when everything's ready to come together, they can do that, putting it all in one box, ready for plumbing, electrical, and all the components added to the house. LBL continuous rim board. We're putting wheels so it's easy to roll down the line. PEX plumbing, just like you would find in any new construction build. Romex wiring. Looks like the electricians haven't got started on this unit quite yet. So this is a culmination of the floor being built over here, slides down here, and then we take, like we looked at here, the roof and put that on top after assembling the walls. Right here, they're getting started with interior plumbing, interior walls. They'll get those walls all knocked out with drywall. This is the roof they're going to go ahead and use up on top of this. High temperature ice and water shield. Perfect for the application that we're doing here. Very efficient, low slope roofing. At this stage, after they've got the interior mechanical, electrical, and plumbing done, we're going to wrap it with plywood, put our house wrap on there, and do roofing, and come back and put the siding on. Here in this corner, they're prefabricating all the parts for the house production line to be used. As it moves down the line, back again, like we were talking on these wheels, we'll pull these tarps down this cable and then paint it right in line. It's not loud or anything. Oh man. We're putting temporary heat in here so that we're drying our drywall, drying our paint, keeping everything rolling. Once the house is painted, we're going to slide it down to this stage and putting trim in, getting interior walls painted, let's take a look. They're getting a jump on things. Looks like they got some cabinets installed. This is neat. They're working down the line as they get faster and faster. The scope creep happens and they start working in other stages before the houses even get to their own stage. Oh, what do we got here? Nice sized bathroom. They're putting electrical trim in, closet doors. Man, I could live in here, no problem. 5-foot window. This is the width of a queen bed right here. Boom. Once this house is painted and the trim is all installed, we're gonna roll down the line to the next stage. Super fascinating what these guys put together. They got a big custom sink in here for cleaning out all their paint and drywall tools with some multi-stage filters to make sure we don't mess up the city sewer system. Painting, got all their paint staged for the next job. So the house rolls down. Once it gets to this stage, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these black jacks over here and lift it up, put it on these cribbing, and from that point, we have full access underneath to take care of all of our testing of MEP, mechanical, electrical, plumbing, get everything set up, including HVAC. We want everything tested, buttoned down, ready to go, no issues. And that's what the guys have been doing. It's incredible. We've been tracking errors per house, things that we got to fix. And we're really, really close to 1 or -1, a little bit below 1 issues per house. So the guys have been really fun to watch. So let's check this house out. We're up on cribbing, so of course we got to get us some stairs to get us up inside. Oh, this is a Model K, our newer model. This is fun. As you can see here, they're waiting on that piece of countertop coming in, looks like. Doing some final testing. Electrical's on. I can feel heat in here. Bathroom hardware, shower hardware as applicable. Just really doing that final detail touch-up. Installing the water heater over here. We got washer and dryer. Just a bit ago, we saw this thing running. We're cranking out a load of wash. Might as well put a sweatshirt in there and wash it on the job and be productive while you're running a test. And that's what they were doing. So, closet rods and hardware. Mounting the doors again after they've been painted. It's really coming together nice. And now that the house is lifted up, we can take the trailer and back it underneath this, airbag up, and then pull the house out. And that's what happens next. We got this giant 20-foot wide garage door, goes up 18, 20 feet high, and we can pull it out. Getting rid of all of our trash. We got, of course, here, roofing, components, countertops. Looks like they brought the trailer back from a delivery and it's ready to slide underneath that house. Down on this end of the yard, we've got all of our siding and lumber and components that you need to build the framing of a house. But try to match up each stage with the respective material that stage needs. And as we go this way, we get into more of the field service related supplies and materials. From hay bales for our erosion control, temporary fencing for tree protection. We've got electrical for all of our on-site primary extensions, a stash of OSB, and here we got our homes that are all stage ready for deliveries. Field crew, they are hopping, keeping up with the shop. All of our trucks, when they're back from the field, we line them up here. Looks like they're all out, cranking out work right now. Deliveries come in and we put them in down that bay on the other side of that truck. This is an interesting little area through here where we supply all of our install crews with electrical and plumbing components. There's a roll former that we use for making all of our metal roofing. We even get into changing our trailer tires. Would you look at that? But yeah, electrical fittings, plumbing fittings, whatever the guys need to be successful, we're cranking away on that, making sure they have it in stock. A full behind the scenes tour here, folks. All of our pipe, parts and pieces that way. In this Connex box over here, we've got all of our appliances, refrigerators and ranges, microwave hoods, you name it, we've got it here to build a house. Glad to show you around as we wrap up, headed back into the front area where we started. This is the receiving desk. Got to make sure that all the delivery drivers are happy, getting all the stuff they need. Puts us right back here at the showroom. I hope you enjoyed the tour. It was fun to show you around. And until next time, leave your comments below on what you want to see. We're glad to pick that up and run with it. We'll see you next time.